So, today we got 2018 Subaru Legacy. I'm gonna do an oil change on this too. It is right here. You hear the button, there's also a thingy there, but you can barely see that. Now you, the viewer, get to decide where the oil filter is.
What?
Where the oil cap is. And where the...
Why do they get to decide where it is?
Oh wait, did I say decide?
You said you, the viewer, get to decide.
I didn't mean to say decide.
You can choose. What would you like? This is the oil filter today.
Yes, unscrew this right here and pop. This says engine, so you know it's part of the engine. So it can't be that can't be the oil filter.
That's the engine, clearly.
This is the engine. It says engine right there. This also says engine, so that can't be it. This also says engine. So these three things have nothing to do with oil. Okay, so here is the oil filter. Oh wait, it's even got the scoop, like a catch. Dodges better step up their game. Ding, ding, ding.
Oh wait, why you have to clean up again?
So this was like right about there, and I overshot, so it went like pew, pew. So then I like went like this to like stop it.
And you used your hand to stop the oil?
Yes, my hand was here. That's what do you think the hell this is?
I thought that was normal for you.
This is a little more than normal. Just a little bit though. I'm the dirtiest oil changer you will ever meet. I'm very displeased, Uncle. You were not recording.
Did you wait for me?
No.
Every other car, you loosen that before draining oil. You aren't even listening to your own videos.
It's a big oily abyss. Grab the new one. Nice and lubed up. Oh, this one says engine too. This is the engine.
What's 5 minus 1.5?
4.5.
5 minus 1.5.
3.5. I seem to have forgotten how to do an oil change.
Maybe you never knew.
Let me crank her over. You assuming I'm a human, what I gotta get it through to you that I'm superhuman and I'm innovative and I'm made of rubber, so everything I say is ricocheting off me and blah 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 blah. I want all my rap gun part.
You need to practice your rap skills.
Hey, it's all okay because I have proof of my OSHA card.
Just because you have an OSHA card doesn't mean you're capable of doing an oil change in a timely manner. You can't even drive a jack.
I got my jack license.
Oil? Anywhere?
Right there.
Let's close her up and